Hello everybody and welcome back to RachandBellaCrafts. Rachel here. So we are back today with another unboxing of the amazing Your Creative Studio box. So what's it saying here? The bluebird carries the sky in his beak. Oh, there's lovely, look at that. Oh, on his back, sorry, not his beak. Oh, I've got the wrong glasses on, I do apologise. Look at that beautiful bird on there. Oh, this is beautiful. Right, let's get this out and let's have a little look. So I'm going to lift the bundle out. It's just a little easier to do things that way. And then hopefully you'll get a good view of what's to come. So let's move this lovely tissue out of the way. So let's have another little package in there. And then let's see what we've got in our bundle. Right, okay, so I'm just going to bring you guys in a little bit. I don't want you to miss any of this. So the first item we have here is some really lovely washi tape. See if I can get that open without damaging this lovely label. So one thing I do love about Your Creative Studio is the packaging is just amazing and you can use everything. So this month's beautiful washi, let's have a look what we've got here. Oh, this looks amazing. We've got lots of birds on it, I think. Oh, there we go. Oh, wow. Can you see that? Is that clear there? Look at that, isn't that beautiful? And I think I see the corner of a hydrangea poking out there too. Lovely, loving that. All right, let's just seal that back down carefully. Okay, so we can use that later. So that's the washi tape with its cute little envelope. Then the next thing we've got here is a little packet of, and these look like check stubs, don't they? Oh, these are fab. How cute are they? You can even journal on them as well. So that's lovely. Then we've got a lovely bag of stickers, I think. Oh, come on, keep it coming. Oh my goodness, there's heaps of them in here. Right, let's have a look what we got then. Oh, these cute little birds. Oh my gosh, I am so going to use those. They are lovely. Wow. And then we've got lots of these beautiful flowers. And there's a different one there with a bird on. It's all very pinky and greeny. Very nice. Unusual hue to it. Very vibrant. I like it. And we've got these lovely little berries. Very nice. And then some more of these beautiful birds with the flowers. And we've got some lovely birds. Do you know, I'm not a bird fan, as you know, but these are really cute. I think it's because they're quite like, well, I hate to use the word fat, but they are. They're dumpy, aren't they? They're cute. I love them. I'm not really into birds and crafting. I've got to be honest. You probably noticed that. The last kit I did was the first one I think I've actually put a bird on. Butterflies, yes. Birds, I find birds a bit, I love them in real life, obviously, you know, but sometimes the images of them, they're quite scary looking. But these are lovely. They're so cute. Oh, look. And unusual too. I wonder what... It's like a coal tit, except it's got a red cap on his head. Right, someone needs to tell me what the name of that bird is, because that is so cute. Oh, I know what that one is. That's a kingfisher, isn't it? And that is one of my favourites. That is beautiful. You don't see that very often on an image. How lovely. And I wonder if that's a chaffinch or something like that. I did actually do a whole like subject course on birds when I was in school, but and I had to do, for my exam, I had to do like a listening exercise with a set of headphones on, and I had to say what label their bird song, because they all have a different song. Can't remember any of it now, obviously, but I must have taken some of it in at the time because I passed the course. So I haven't always been averse to birds. It's just sometimes in images they make me a bit freaked out, but these are beautiful. I'm going to leave those there. They're lovely. Right, next packet of stickers. We have got, now I'm sure I've had something similar to this before from one of Amanda's packages, and they were amazing. I've used most of them already. So yeah, these are fab. These are little like snippety torn stickers that look like little, these are great for your collaging, anything really. If you're doing like you know, like clusters. Ooh, I might actually have a go with these this afternoon. That's what I fancy sitting and doing. And there's lots of different patterns in here. Yeah, loving these. These are great. I feel like I need to get a new tin out now just to put these in. Oh, I've got loads of tins. They're fab. Love those. They're great. So that's another one. That's the labels. Then here we've got, ooh, a nice paper pack. A printed paper pack nonetheless. Gosh, look at these. Wow. So these are all vintage papers. It's called Time Traveler. I like that script on the back of there. 1872. Right, so let's have a quick leaf through these then. What have we got here? We've got, I think they're all, oh, come on. They're all different as well. So it's not like a case of having 5 of one and different colours, different images. Gosh, this is a real collection there. Portsmouth Garland. Paris. Then you've got, so that's the shorter one. And then you've got these longer, slimmer ones. No Men by These presents. What's that there? That looks like a constitution of some kind. It's been signed, but I can't quite see it because I haven't got good enough glasses to see. I wonder what that document is there. Somebody's notebook there. No Men by These presents. Yeah. Very nice, very nice. Somebody scribbled there on the back of a postcard. There's a bit of a letter there. The town of Dennis. Expenses of the town of Dennis for the year end in 18... Ugh, I can't see that. See if you can see it. Let me put my other glasses on. Very, very nice. Well, these are great. Again, it's for collaging, you know, doing your page, somebody's journal there, look. God, I wish I could draw like that in the middle of my journal. I could write like that. My handwriting is appalling. Oh, that's nice. Music papers. Ooh. And these are hand-drawn music papers as well. They're not Hyde Park. 1867. Gosh, these are really old, these letters in here. They're fantastic. Brilliant. Love that pack. Great little ephemera packet that is there. Bundle rather. So that's lush. Ooh, look at these. What a treat. So you've got a label and then you've got 4 little ones like stamps on the bottom. And you've got a whole pack of those. Now, yes, they're all the same, but that's fine because that just encourages you to use them, because otherwise if they're all different, you just hoard them, don't we? That's a really nice size pack, that is. I like that very much. This is a great pack. A really great pack. I'm very impressed. Because I know Amanda's had a lot of problems this year with deliveries and with, you know, the time scales and everything, because, you know, things right back at the beginning of the year with hold-ups on stuff. But so I know we're all kind of getting different ones at different times. But oh, look, is that beautiful Kingfisher? But these are really lovely. Really lovely. Oh, look at that. That's nice to see a little bit of colour, isn't it? Oh my goodness, look at these. Oh gosh. These are just stunning, these images. Oh, isn't he cute? Oh, that's nice. Gosh, that's unusual. So yeah, I think you've got like 4 of each image. Sorry, I'm trying to turn a few pages at a time to show you. Oh, that's lovely, isn't it? Show you the next one. Oh, I just absolutely love these birds. They are so, so cute. Fantastic. Oh, that's a really thick pack in there. There's that bird there, look. There's it lying a cap. Oh, these are lovely. Beautiful, beautiful images. Fabulous, love that. So that's a little notebook pack there. And then we've got, ooh, this looks nice. Another vintage bundle here now. And I think these are stickers, judging by the look of them. So we've got a nice, ooh. Yeah, so we've got a nice like, envelope thing here that you can utilise to put stuff in, obviously. Stating the obvious a bit there, Rach. And then these, oh, that's paper. Okay, so these are quite unusual, aren't they? Very nice. These are, I want to say stickers. Are they stickers? Yes, these are stickers. Great, right. These are different because these are, they're like photo images of vintage items. Got a real variety in here. Oh gosh, gramophone. We've got some like little tab things. Some nice little image thing there, another sticker, some larger stickers. Oh, they're interesting, aren't they? No, is that a sticker? No, actually it's not. I think that's a journal card. Ooh, look at that. These are quite different. I've not seen anything like these before. And then we've got some sheets then, some more vintage, lots and lots of vintage ephemera and vintage paper and stickers in this bundle. This is really nice because I'm glad because my supplies were starting to dwindle a bit. Used quite a lot of that over the year. Excuse me. Oh, right, stamps, fab. So we've got a whole pack there of these lovely cling stamps. We've got the berries, we've got the birds. Oh, that cute little one there. Leaf, more berries, and a little tiny leaf there. So that's a really lovely pack there. Nice little package as well to keep them in. I like that because you can reseal that and keep them in there nice and safe. Great idea, that. And we've got some of these cute little stickers. I'm sure that's a chaffinch. I might be wrong, but somebody will tell me, I'm sure. And then this is beautiful, beautiful rice paper. So look at this. Why can't I get anything out today? Come on. Right, there we go. So we've got, there we are. Look at that, isn't that lovely? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheets of that. So again, that is beautiful for page layouts, collaging. Well, I've got to be honest, I love the Your Creative Studio boxes. There's been quite a few different things over the last few months, but I think this is probably my favourite box for quite some time. This is really lovely. You've got a really nice mixture here of vintage, you know, ephemera papers, and then this lovely, almost modern, but it's not modern, it's just bright and colourful and cheery, but just really, this is everything I love about vintage this here. These pinks, and even the birds haven't freaked me out. In fact, they're quite cute. I can see me going off and having a play with these now today. Yeah, lovely, beautiful washi. Again, some lovely ephemera for you to use, a nice set of cling stamps. Again, another lovely bundle of vintage ephemera there. And these stickers, my gosh, you know, they are really lovely. So I'm looking forward to having a play with these today. As per usual, the link for the Your Creative Studio subscriptions is in my description box below. Just to clarify, because I know sometimes you guys get confused, well, not you guys, but some people sometimes get confused. You are not able to purchase this actual box, unfortunately. This is just to give you an example of the lovely monthly subscription boxes that Amanda does. Again, Your Creative Studio is the name of her company. You sign up, you subscribe, and then you get a mystery box come once a month, and you get to open a box then with all these goodies in. Excellent quality for money. I was quite shocked when I learned what the price was. So yeah, can't recommend them enough. And I know lots of the girls on YouTube use them, and you know, receive the boxes as well to do unboxings for you. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Really appreciate you taking the time to be with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a comment and a like below. And again, if you haven't already checked out Amanda's website, go over and have a little look. I'll leave the link below. But have a lovely day. Take care now. Bye.